Explore the transformation of the Belitsa sports complex in Kostinbrod, an M SINTEZ technical project designed to modernize infrastructure, enhance safety, and support active lifestyles. The site spans over 17,000 square meters and includes three core components: new sports fields and access paths, an architectural extension with modern locker rooms and covered reinforced concrete stands. The football stadium has been fully reconstructed with natural turf, drainage and irrigation systems, acrylic-marked fields, and a new athletic sprint track. A new basketball court and outdoor fitness zone are built on reinforced concrete bases with acrylic surfacing and secure metal fencing. The newly designed annex features 181 square meters of built-up area and includes team and referee locker rooms, showers, WCs, a medical office, and accessibility-compliant facilities, finished with anti-slip tiles, gypsum ceilings, and thermal insulation systems. The Grandstands now seat 605 spectators, including 12 accessible spots with a steel roof structure of thermopanels and separate entry points for home and guest fans. The complex also includes 22 parking spaces, 2 with EV charging stations, and bike stands. At M SINTEZ, we integrate architecture and engineering for community-focused design that meets every regulation: functional, safe, and future-ready.